to know that. Exceptional God warrior. Are you from Canada, exceptional God warrior, or are you from the States? Are you based in the States? Like I said, I use the Ontario code book. Okay, New York. Okay, the rules might be a little bit different there, but I mean, it should be the same rules all across the board. But I do use the Ontario code book, and in order to also write your in order to also write your exam, you have to. If you use the Canadian code book, then you have to have the amendments with you. Same concept, yes, section is all across the board, same concept, that's what I figured. Rules are rules. If you do use the Canadian code book, when you go to write the test, you're going to have to bring the amendments with you. That's the only difference. When I wrote my master's, I wrote it off of the actual Ontario code book, which is way better. There's a lot of stuff in there. You don't have to travel with amendments. So keep that in mind. The Ontario code book is the better book to use. As now, I'm currently trying to assist my apprentice in how to use the code book. It's nothing easy to learn. Obviously, there's a lot of rules in there. It will send you to the appendix. It will send you all over the place with the rules. So you just have to follow those rules pretty much. That's how I go about reading my code book. And soon in one of my lives, I'll be going through how I go about using my code book. And, I'll be going through how I use the code book. Again, like I said, the lighting, this is the lighting here. Obviously, the size of the room, I've got a lot of lighting going on in here. And as you see, I've got 2 sets of lights in every corner. Right, as you can see here, this is the main family room. There's lots of lighting in here. These lights are currently just temporary lights that I'm using. So you can see there's all types of lighting in here. So like I said again, when it comes to lighting, I believe that you should have enough lighting inside the room. Defines what your room is going to look like. Again, the bigger the room is, the more lighting you're going to require. And obviously for me, I usually go about 5 to 6 feet in between lighting, very important. Some people, a couple of years ago, I went onto a job, I took over the job, and it wasn't an electrical contractor. And these guys, they had lights every 2 feet. Not needed, and the inspector obviously will question that there is a certain amount of lighting that's required per square footage. So when it comes to doing the lighting, most of the time I will come off 2 feet off the wall, off of each side. I'll start my lighting like that, and then I will just go in between the middle and make my division. Also, all you guys who are checking into the light, double tap the screen to light up the light. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. So again, double tap the live. You can double tap the live to light up the screen. You can also subscribe to the channel to stay up to date to my content. Like I said, when it comes to the lighting, it's very, it's the number one thing that you want to